let's talk about that weather forecast.
Yeah, it's going to be a really hot one again today. Just like yesterday, we're going to be striking 95 degrees as we get you into 4 or 5 p.m. this afternoon. A live look right now over the Ohio River, looking off to the east. Look at these bright yellows across our cirrus clouds decorated across our sky and mirroring the Ohio River right now. A gorgeous look as we get our Monday morning started. So that gives you some Monday motivation getting out the door. Airport sitting at 77, Fern Creek 74. We do have some slightly cooler air funneled in across Clark and Floyd counties, but regardless, we are noticing a steamy start to our morning so far. And temperatures by the afternoon should easily be making their way into the middle 90s. Clarksville, 95 degrees, most likely hitting 94 along the I-65 corridor towards Seymour and Bedford. Lebanon today, 91. We're also going to be striking 90 degrees from E-Town all the way towards Campbellsville. That's later on today. And once again, here in the metro, mid-90s will be cooking anywhere from St. Matthews towards Middletown and Shively. In fact, today, near record heat. We're going to be hitting 95, the record high on this date, 98 degrees back in 1913. So it's been quite a bit since we have seen temperatures get to the upper 90s on this date. Here's actually a look at the UV index today. That's going to be another story in and of itself. So if you plan to be spending it outside, staying cool at some point today, most likely the pool or a lake, the UV index today at a 10. It's going to be pretty important. You are limiting your time outside in the sun and drinking plenty of water to avoid that. Here's our big upper level pattern. We are noticing a dome of high pressure all across the Ohio River Valley. We have rounds of showers and storms all across much of the northern portion of the country. We're going to be steering clear of any kind of storm activity. Basically dry all week long besides this afternoon and tomorrow afternoon when there may be a brief shower or storm looking to be developing randomly across Futurecast. There will be a little bit more humidity levels today and tomorrow. That's the reason why we will be tracking a brief spotty shower or storm. Kind of enough water vapor and enough energy in the atmosphere for a storm to be firing up. So again, on our rainfall tracker, we're looking at about a 20% chance tomorrow and then again later on today of a pop-up shower, but it really shouldn't be too big of a deal. Here's actually a close look at Futurecast. Not a day ruiner by any means, but by about 4 o'clock, up to the north by Madison and North Vernon, there may be a brief little shower developing. And as we get you into later on tonight, notice off to the east there will be a better shot for a shower possible by Frankfort and points east of there. But regardless, tonight it'll be as warm as this morning. And once again into tomorrow, there may be a brief shower to the north, but it really should not be too big of a deal. There's our patio forecast day by day, so maybe you're going to be spending it outside and just wanting to stay under the umbrella and stay cool in the shade. That's actually a look at our day-by-day temperatures, and of course we'll be at 93 tomorrow, 93 Wednesday. Summer begins Thursday afternoon, and the first full day of summer on Friday. A high temperature of 98 is very important. You do not leave pets or children in your vehicle when you're out and about throughout the course of this week.